Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost forecast interest you? For a great many people, the solution to this question will be yes, since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a great deal of notoriety among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a mogul by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars elon or not. Dogelon Mars, the street ahead. Most recent news reports out from the cryptographic money market manifest. Earlier year as well as 2022 may be a great time for Dogelon Mars elon tokens. Dogecoin and Dogelon Mars have succeeded for this present year. After the exploded of Dogecoin, it was an obvious indicator that the cryptographic money market is broadly tolerating Dogelon Mars coin. Individuals began effective money management. Later, Shiba Inu went into the 10 greatest digital currency list. From that point forward, business sectors saw a development in the posting of FLOKI Inu, Safe Mars, Dogelon Mars, Akita Inu, Samoyed Coin SAMU, Kishu Inu. A large portion of them have a similar example, yet they are from various networks. Squid Game is a token made that is roused by the Netflix show Squid Game. It flooded in one day, and some other time when the designers had the floor covering pulled the following day. Costs plunged to close to 100%. Crypto holders who hold Squid couldn't sell the token. Such a circumstance can occur whenever. The other insane element of image coins is that they will give profoundly productive returns and make their financial backers tycoons short-term. In a study directed by Krabako, a cryptographic money research organization, with respect to the acquisition of new digital currencies, 91% of the 1,000 members have bought tokens. Dogelon Mars token doesn't have its blockchain, white paper, and a laid-out biological system. Aggregate jokes of the local area characterize the utilization cases or basics of these tokens. The insane reality about Dogelon Mars elon tokens is that financial backers have a ton of trust in the symbolic's worth since it has been put at a shallow worth. Thus, the majority of the crypto holders are deluded by the Dogelon Mars value, that later on, it will hit a $1 maximum capacity is still left, or they expect that this coin will likewise impact one day. Typically, individuals begin buying this kind of coin out of impulses and likes. This makes a surprising knock and dumps in the worth of the equivalent. The group conduct invigorated by an impetus and the market pushes the coin to spike. This may not occur with each coin. Some of them will go on with the exchanging esteem on the early stage or its sent-off cost for a long length without anybody seeing it and without making publicity on the social stages. Dogelon Mars Specialized Examination. The flightiness of Dogelon Mars elon cost is higher contrasted with different coins of the digital currency market. Consequently, giving a precise Dogelon Mars cost conjecture is very troublesome. Authentic information of elon cost shows the section Dogelon Mars cost was around $0. Soon after posting, the elon cost has moved to $0, yet later after a sell Dogelon Mars sign, it has taken help at $0. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars elon cost beat the cost forecasts and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars elon cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the main day of the month. Likened to our expectation, Dogelon Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars elon is around $0. The Dogelon Mars cost today is exchanging around $0, with a complete market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The circling supply is 552-955-726-479-823 elon, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. Dogelon Mars Specialized Investigation shows that the elon cost began expanding from October 1, 2021, going on until October 31, 2021. Up excursion of Dogelon Mars cost began at $0, wound up at $0, which was the most exorbitant cost of the token, 29th. 30th. The 31st of October 2021 has shaped the most noteworthy light with the immense backing of volume. In somewhere around 3 days, elon cost has moved from $0 by colossal volume. In something like a month, a modest bunch returned for the people who have Dogelon Mars in their portfolio. Then, at that point, bears began pulling back the elon cost, which made a dive to $0. At present, slight recuperation is seen in the cost of the coin, which might prompt positive patterns sooner rather than later. The long cost took support at $0. The ongoing cost is gradually skipping from this level, yet assuming Dogelon Mars cost today neglect to keep energy in current move, it is normal to take the following help at $0. Any fall underneath this will be a sell Dogelon Mars signal, and most help levels put at $0. The significant help is set at $0. On the upper side, the closest opposition is set at $0. ELON value needs to break the level to test $0, as indicated by our examination and estimate. If Dogelon Mars can cross the obstruction level, forceful brokers can purchase Dogelon Mars and hold it till it tests its significant opposition at $0. As per our specialized examination with the most well-known specialized pointers, Dogelon Mars Elon's cost has exchanged over its 50 EMA and 20 EMA. RSI is put at 54.33, which is an impartial sign, nor is it in the oversold zone nor offers any inversion hint to purchase Dogelon Mars signal. MACD line is moving beneath signal line. Volume profile isn't extremely steady as of now, while Dogelon Mars ELON cost expectation uncovers opportunities for positive pattern. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2022. Dogelon Mars expectation predicts a most extreme cost of Dogelon Mars of $0 the year's over. The typical cost stays at $0. The Dogelon Mars cost expectation 2022 proposes the future cost of Dogelon Mars will rise. Dogelon Mars coin expectation 2023. In light of the drawn-out examination and information, the Dogelon Mars cost expectation begins at $0. The greatest Dogelon Mars cost estimate for 2023 is $0. The typical cost is $0. Our Dogelon Mars ELON value forecast ought not be considered as a speculation guidance to purchase Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars coin value expectation 2024. As per Dogelon Mars cost forecast, the cost of Dogelon Mars starts at $0. The typical cost of ELON could reach $0. Value forecasts predict ELON needs to arrive at an end cost of $0. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2025. Elon value expectations are expected to begin at $0. The Dogelon Mars could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0. A future cost of $0 the finish of 2025. This cost is high contrasted with the ongoing level. Consequently, the ELON cost expectation shows Dogelon Mars is extensive for speculation more than a 5-year time period. Dogelon Mars gauge 2026 and then some. The ELON cost expectations predict starting at $0, and a possible increment is normal for what's in store. Dogelon Mars has a lot of chance in light of its inflationary nature, according to the past information. Just digital money fans can play with the image coin for the present moment. If not, you can contribute and pause, yet you can't rest assured about the profits. As per Dogelon Mars cost expectation 2026, the base cost assessed is to reach $0. It is a sort of karma on the grounds that the Dogelon Mars value developments are driven primarily by web-based entertainment, publicity, jokes from networks, and related declarations. History shows that image tokens gets back to their financial backers, and the Dogelon Mars expectation for what's in store is bullish. Dogelon Mars cost expectation for 2030 predict Dogelon Mars ELON cost will reach $0. It will be a productive venture. Further, according to our ELON coin cost expectation 2030, the normal conjecture cost is $0, a greatest exchanging cost of Dogelon Mars to reach $0. The drawn-out cost expectation looks encouraging up until this point.